Welcome to ***passive rise ***. If you're looking to launch an online course or grow your existing digital business, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the step-by-step process of validating your course ideas, creating a compelling curriculum, and launching your course using high-pressure webinar funnels. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your strategy, we've got you covered. Make sure you stick around until the end because we'll be sharing tips that can make or break your course launch. Let's get started. Before jumping into course creation, the very first thing you need to do is validate your idea. The biggest mistake most creators make is assuming there's demand for their course before confirming it. Validation is all about ensuring that your target audience actually wants what you're offering. This can be done by conducting surveys, engaging in direct conversations, or even using social media polls to test interest. By doing this early on, you'll avoid wasting time on a product that doesn't have a market fit. It's a smart way to confirm that your course has a solid foundation before moving forward. Once you've validated your course idea, it's time to start designing your curriculum. Crafting a clear and structured curriculum is essential for a successful course launch. The content should be organized in a logical flow, with each module building upon the previous one. Think of your course as a roadmap guiding your students from point A to point B, where point B is their desired outcome. Each lesson should have a specific learning objective, ensuring students are progressing toward their goals. A well-designed curriculum keeps students engaged and motivated to complete the course. A great curriculum isn't just about information, it's about creating an experience. Consider incorporating a variety of teaching methods to accommodate different learning styles. This can include videos, quizzes, downloadable resources, and even interactive exercises. The more engaging your course is, the more likely students will stay committed and complete it. Including real-world examples and case studies can also help students apply what they've learned. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that your course provides actionable, real-world value that students can use immediately. As you develop your course content, don't forget the power of bonuses. Offering additional resources like templates, checklists, or exclusive worksheets can greatly increase the perceived value of your course. These bonuses serve as useful tools for students, helping them apply the lessons more effectively. They also provide extra incentives for people to enroll. Think about the pain points your target audience faces and consider what resources could make their learning experience easier or more efficient. Adding these bonuses will set your course apart from the competition. When it comes time to launch, using a high-pressure webinar funnel is one of the most effective strategies. Webinars allow you to showcase your expertise while delivering value to your audience. The key is to provide real, actionable content during the webinar while positioning your course as the next step in their journey. A webinar isn't just about pitching your course. It's about helping your audience and building trust with them. At the end of the webinar, you can introduce your course as the best solution to their problem. This method fosters a genuine connection with your audience and increases conversions. Creating anticipation is crucial for a successful webinar launch. Before the webinar, start promoting it through email campaigns, social media posts, and ads. Tease the value they will gain by attending the webinar and make sure they know what they lines miss if they don't show up. Use countdowns or limited time offers to create a sense of urgency. The more anticipation you build, the more people will sign up and actually attend. People are more likely to take action when they feel like they're missing out on something valuable. On the day of your webinar, your focus should be on delivering immense value. Ensure that your content is educational and addresses the pain points your audience is facing. The goal is to leave them feeling empowered with new knowledge while positioning your course as the natural next step. Keep the focus on helping your attendees achieve their goals, not on making a sale. By doing so, you'll build trust and authority, making them more likely to buy when you pitch your course. Remember, this is about helping them see how your course can transform their journey. After the webinar, follow-up is key. Many people may not purchase immediately but are still interested. Send a series of reminder emails that recap the key points from the webinar and include a clear call to action to enroll. Offer special bonuses or discounts to incentivize quick action. Don't forget to answer any questions or objections your audience might have. Follow-up emails create an opportunity to address concerns, provide additional value, and encourage hesitant prospects to take the plunge. The more personalized and relevant your follow-up, the better the results. Your sales page is the critical point where prospects decide whether to enroll in your course. It should clearly outline the course benefits, not just the features. Focus on how your course will solve their problems or help them achieve their desired outcomes. Include a section that breaks down the curriculum so they know exactly what to expect. Adding social proof, like testimonials or success stories from past students, can help build trust and convince potential buyers. Keep your sales page clear, concise, and easy to navigate with a straightforward call to action. To increase conversions, offer flexible payment options. Some people prefer to pay in full, while others may want a payment plan to spread out the cost. Offering both options makes your course more accessible to a wider audience. Additionally, consider adding a money-back guarantee. This takes the risk out of the equation and makes people feel more confident in their purchase. Make sure your refund policy is clear and easy to understand, ensuring potential customers that their satisfaction is a priority. Social proof can have a huge impact on your sales. Once you have students who've completed your course and achieved results, ask them for testimonials. Video testimonials are particularly powerful because they provide an authentic, relatable voice. Display these testimonials prominently on your sales page and in your promotional materials. Potential customers are more likely to trust the experiences of others, especially when they can see tangible results. Positive feedback from past students is one of the most effective ways to increase credibility and drive conversions. Affiliate marketing can also help you boost course sales and reach new audiences. Setting up an affiliate program allows others to promote your course in exchange for a commission on sales. Reach out to influencers or others in your niche who might be willing to share your course with their followers. This strategy expands your reach and helps you generate sales without additional advertising costs. A strong affiliate program creates a win-win situation for both you and your affiliates, driving traffic and increasing your course enrollments. Content marketing should be an ongoing strategy, even after your course has launched. Regularly create valuable content such as blog posts, videos, or podcasts that address your audience's needs. Share tips, success stories, and insights to keep them engaged and remind them of the value your course offers. Content marketing helps position you as an authority in your niche, creating ongoing exposure for your course. It is also a great way to build relationships and keep your audience engaged long after the initial course launch. Building an email list is one of the most valuable assets you can have. Use your email list to nurture relationships, provide additional resources, and stay in touch with your audience. Offer a free lead magnet, like an ebook or a mini course, to incentivize people to join your list. Once they're subscribed, send them a series of valuable emails that build trust and prepare them for your course launch. The more targeted and engaged your email list, the higher your chances of converting subscribers into paying customers. Feedback from students is invaluable. After the course has been completed, ask for detailed feedback on what they loved and what could be improved. Use this information to refine and update your course content regularly. Keeping your course up to date ensures that it remains relevant and valuable in a rapidly changing market. Continuous improvement also helps you create a better experience for future students, which can increase retention and reduce refund requests. Long-term success requires a consistent marketing effort. Once your course is launched, don't let your marketing efforts fade. Continue to promote your course through paid ads, social media, and partnerships. Invest time in growing your email list, creating valuable content, and maintaining relationships with your students. The more visible you are, the more likely you are to attract new students. Long-term growth comes from maintaining consistent engagement and continuously refining your strategies. Thank you for watching today's video on Passive Rise. I hope you found this tutorial valuable and that it gives you the confidence to launch your own successful online course. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Keep rising, and I'll see you in the next video.